you've seen clinical trials inside out, right? So if you were at a dinner party and someone asked you, why do these things take forever? What's your no jargon 30-second answer to that? No PhD answer.
Well, I think, one of the things that this industry, like you said, I've been doing this for 30 some years now, and we are a slow to adopt industry, as you know. I think part of it is that it takes us a while to get to the point where we adopt new technology, new thoughts on how to do things. I'll give you an example. Like during the pandemic, we were kind of fast forwarding, getting into decentralized trials, doing things in a hybrid fashion. And I feel like we've slipped back again a little bit. So that's just kind of the way this industry is. And if you just look at all the things that need to take place in order to get a drug approved, there are a lot of moving parts. So, when I talk to people about why it takes so long, you really have to explain all the different components and what it takes to get from the concept of a drug to the actual approval process. And this is where AI is already starting to show benefits. It's becoming more precise, more efficient, and being able to speed things up.
So, more importantly, as you said, where do you think AI can actually fix it? What piece of this puzzle can AI actually fix?
I think it could touch just about every component, to be honest with you. And I know we're not going to talk in a lot of detail about things like supply chain management, protocol design, and even going back, we started at the very beginning. I worked with some companies years ago that were starting to use AI, this is probably 6-7 years ago, to actually determine what drugs might be worth pulling through. Looking at older drugs, older compounds that were just kind of shuttled to see if it might work and bring it forward. So that's all ongoing. And I don't think we've even seen the fruits of all of that lately yet. But as we start to kind of narrow that funnel and figure out what things are going to work, once they get into the development cycle, there are like every touch point, I think, has the possibility and the potential of being touched by AI.